How to add Wise account to your Amazon. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site amazon.com. It will land you on the official page of Amazon. Once you are in here, make sure you are logged into your specific account. Click on your profile at the top right and then head over to your account. Move into your payments. Click on add a payment method. Now you'll need to head over to the site wise.com and then log into your specific Wise account. Once you are in here, tap on cards. Head over to card details. Enter the password of your Wise account. Once you have entered the password, the card details of your Wise account will appear. You need to copy all of those details and then go back to your previous page of Amazon. This interface will pop up. Now enter the card number, name on the card, expiration date, and also enter the security code. Once you have entered all of the information, tap on add your card. The Wise account will be successfully added to your Amazon account. So that's it, and this is simply how you can add Wise account to Amazon. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.